Is that better?
What the fuck, bro? Calm down.
Oh, you gotta be closer.
I don't have to get closer.
Yo, you want some dingo?
He doesn't have to get closer because he's gonna take up too many pixels on the camera.
Oh, here's some. Let's just get started.
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
Air Island, people. Air Island.
Wait, that's Air Island?
Yeah, that's Air.
Okay, Air Island is really good.
Yo, you think Air Island?
Hey, introduce everyone.
Oh yeah. Introduce everyone, Devin. Come on.
I don't want to be the introducer.
Alright, welcome to this tier list. Today we have fuck you. Today we have big fat support and skinny man Devin.
Thank you.
And me, the protagonist, fucking whatever.
The idiot.
James.
He's the noble of the group. Everyone, most people will get that reference.
No.
Yeah. And I'm scheming.
Okay, now introduce everyone else.
And there's other people. We have second Devin.
James.
Oh,
James.
Really?
Yeah, he's the smart James. You're the dumb James.
The new bear country right here.
Well, come into the camera then, if you want to be known.
Must work me.
Shout out to my Instagram and TikTok. You know, like,
Yeah, new-
shout out to my Instagram.
Yeah, so.
Follow. I don't know.
Take a bite.
No,
No, I'm telling you. I'm not asking you. Take a bite.
I'm not gonna take a
That's
bite.
disgusting.
I'm fucking telling you. Take a bite.
No. Move your feet,
Pizza.
bro.
This is a great start.
Yeah, very great start. No one's gonna want to watch this. Anyway, let's get started with
Right.
Air.
Damn, it's your YouTube channel. Fucking talk.
Yeah, Devin, come on, you're the main guy.
Air Island's us here.
You think Air Island is S tier?
Yeah.
Honestly, I think it's A tier or B. I like to think it's B or A.
I think. I don't like it. Please stop.
What were you?
Super cool. Where would you put Air
Yeah,
Island?
where'd you put Air?
Ireland? Did you?
What?
Everyone-
Why?
You guys think it's fine. We think it's bad.
Let me smell it.
What about the majority vote?
Majority vote. Okay, so where'd you?
Bro,
Where'd
I've
you
never
put
hugged a
it?
chubby man in my life, dude. It's so
Oh.
comfortable.
Where would you put?
See.
Where'd you put it?
B.
For what?
I would put it in S.
Raise your hand for C tier or lower.
Have you even heard Air Island Underbook?
I haven't think he played the game.
Do you know anything about my second one?
It goes in B tier. Then it goes in B tier.
Fine, C tier.
Let's go. Fuck you, someone. Enemies.
Amber Island now.
It's around me
No,
personally. Hey, hear me out.
Amber
Me personally,
Island
I was.
suck.
Oh no.
It's gonna be so long because how many times?
Amber Island fucking suck. Ah, shit.
You think Amber Island is bad, but I think it's really good.
Fuck. Plus, getting Monster Amber Island, it's a lot of work.
So is Celestial and Wetland, and yet you don't
It's
say
not worth it. This island's ass.
Okay, I can see
Actually,
that.
Amber Island is kind of trash.
Okay, well,
It's very boring.
I think at most it's a D or C. Well, wait, Justin, your opinion?
Who?
Where do you think Amber Island goes?
Ooh.
Amber. Amber. Bucket, where would you put Amber?
D tier because Amber heard.
Yeah, that deserves to be there.
Yeah.
Bone Island, bro.
Oh, Island.
Come on, fucking share my screen.
Next to me.
I'm not gonna put
honestly, I
movie.
really like Bone Island.
I
Fucking
I like
No,
I like Bone Island.
Yeah, I like one
It's
eye.
very unique.
I think Bone
I
Island.
never fucking heard it.
Alright.
But it's
How?
But if you put it E and R, it's boner, so.
So
Exactly.
do y'all think it's good? You all think it deserves to be that high?
I think it deserves to be B.
Yeah, for boner.
B, yeah, B for
What
Bone.
is bro doing?
Yeah, B for boner.
Shut up, my mom watches this. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. No, she
Is your
doesn't.
mom actually gonna watch it?
She's not gonna watch this. Celestial.
you,
This song is
Savon.
awesome.
Hey, Savon.
A.
So,
Alright.
No, which one?
A. I think it does.
What is it
be Celestial. You know, it's like shum shalalam bum.
I don't remember that one.
No, you don't remember it? It's a good song. Maybe you all should listen to
Actually, I remember it was good. I remember it was
You know,
good.
it's a
but I
good
forgot.
one.
Put you on Amazon.
it. Okay.
that's fucked up. But okay.
Stop watching.
Cold Island. Everyone knows Cold Island is good.
Cold Island is really good.
Nobody likes me.
Everyone's afraid
of me. It was good. That's
It's
good.
because
I
I am
autistic.
weird.
Yeah, I like that one. It's A tier for me.
Yeah. Composer Island is infinite possibilities. The song could be
Composer
good,
Island, Composer
bad.
Island is shit.
Whatever.
The
No.
Composer Island could be either
I think-
good or bad. So I think we should put it in between.
I gave it to Nibber to edit it. He
What do you want to
hasn't
open
finished
Can you fucking edit my video?
it. Okay, Composer Island, we'll put it in C because it
I
could
will
be
pay
the
you
S or shit.
$5.
Alright.
I don't know what
Island.
fucking
Yes.
Alright,
Whoa. I think one island gets to be an S tier.
what's this one?
Bro,
That's Earth
you know
Island.
you can do
Earth Island is S
Did the
tier.
earthquake. Whoa. We haven't even all agreed yet. Now, do I think Earth Island is the best song of the game? Personally, no. I think at most it's an A.
What's the best song in the game then?
I hate to say this, but I think it's Where is it
I
at?
don't know what that word means.
Woblin.
Like everyone says how.
Woblin is so
Not
good.
nearly that good.
I think Woblin.
It's
Oh, Wobbling Island gets wiped on the floor by so many
I know.
It's good.
Woblin Island is.
not.
They
It's
think
not
Earth
that
Island is the
good.
best
It's
one.
overrated.
What do you think, Justin? You think Earth Island deserves to be an S tier?
Who's
Oh,
Justin?
yeah, go to this.
Everyone says S tier.
Yeah.
I guess they lost the vote, then I guess Earth Island deserves
To me, it's like
Earth
Oh,
Island
Woblin Island deserves to be an A. I just want to say that.
deserves to be an A.
Next one.
To be.
Alright, that Ethereal. That kind of sucks.
Ethereal's pretty. It's all
Honestly,
pretty.
it's
It's pretty
chill. It's a
alright.
chill song.
Ethereal's pretty alright.
It's a chill.
Ethereal's pretty alright.
Yeah, but I like that.
I think it's alright. At most a
It's-
B.
it's-
Maybe a C.
I give
I'm gonna
it
put it in
A.
C. I'm gonna put it in C.
Oh, Fairy
B.
is an A tier.
Fairy is really good.
Bro, the
Yeah,
platty, the bagpipe goes hard.
I know it does. It's like
Oh my god. Firehaven.
Firehaven's really good. The popularity goes hard at Firehaven.
You give it B?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty good. B? It's definitely not better than Fireworks. I mean, no, it's not as good as.
I would put it in B.
You think it just should be in B?
Is that fair? I say pretty good.
So white.
Whatever the fucking option is.
the worst. Just the second. Yeah, I think it deserves to be in B.
Ask Rikun.
What do you think? You think it deserves, Firehaven deserves to be in B?
I like it.
It's the third one.
So,
Yeah, he said yeah. So B it is.
Okay.
Fire Oasis. Not as good as Firehaven. So I think it does.
Fire Oasis not that good.
I give it a C or B.
C at most.
I'd give it a C.
Gold Island? Honestly, I
Gold
can't-
Island
I
is
don't even
really
like
good.
it.
Really good.
Gold Island is really good. Right, Rikun?
Yeah, sure.
But imagine getting the Warbucks and the rare Warbucks.
You know how hard that is?
That's a lot. Given the fact that I deserve it to A.
I think it also A.
Well, what do you think? Newbie. Just ignores the. I think.
This is a great live stream.
I guess I technically lost the majority vote. If I think C, we should go in B.
Oh my God.
Because you all think A.
No, but it's like A. It's the majority. Everybody wants
Yeah, but like,
I
how
think
about
we
this? What Newbie Raccoon? Where do you think it should go? Gold Island.
Huh?
Gold
Where
Island.
do you think it should go?
Well then. Teacher.
See, he should see.
Okay,
So it should go
fine.
to
B.
B.
No, fine.
Light Island is really good.
Light Island is really good.
Now the Four Elementals bad.
No, the Four Elemental's pretty good.
I like the design.
Yeah,
It's all good.
yeah.
I think
it's B. Yeah.
There's a lot of niche.
Okay.
Hey,
No.
Magical Sanctum. Come on,
Magical Sanctum.
Magical Sanctum's the best song.
Magical Sanctum's not that good, but I'll just go with you guys.
Mirror Island is literally all the songs together.
Yeah, it's fully.
It's mostly meant for farm.
Yeah.
No, it's not bad because it's the song.
So where's Mirror Island
It's
go?
just the song again. Just put it in C because it's all the songs just again. Plant is an easy A.
Plant is definitely A.
Mm-hmm.
Psychic, I think that's a D.
I think Plant kind of has too many monsters sometimes, but
Well, because it's the first game. It's the first.
What is it?
I think a C at most or a D. Psychic, I just don't like Psychic.
Broke my dick. I gotta loosen up my dick.
Shut up.
I think it's a B. Actually, no. Psychic C.
Which one?
Psychic.
Psychic, I was putting in C.
Alright, sorry.
Season of Shanty. A tier. You wanna know why?
Seasonal Shanty is not that good.
Get him. Just get him.
Wait, what did you say?
Hey! It's a good
I'll
song!
put it in B because like I don't like it.
Yeah, but the majority of vouchers is A.
Fine.
Actually,
What is this one?
Oh, Sugar. As much as I love Sugar Book.
Sugar Bush Island is great.
Great. It's great.
It's A tier. It's A tier.
I don't think.
At least A tier.
I think it's C.
No, I think it's A.
I think it's A.
Yeah, A.
Newbie, what do you think Sugar Book should go?
Season Bush Island?
Yeah.
Season Bush Island's pretty good. I think it's pretty good.
D tier?
That's below C, right?
Well, I guess B.
No, A.
Well, you just choose A. I choose C and D, so B.
Fine.
Guys.
Bro, the Coliseum? Come on. It doesn't even have music. Everyone wants a battle. You think people play that game for the battle?
All right.
Tribal?
Oh, it has Shumba.
This one's really good. This one.
That one has the intro music. Shumbagala.
It actually does.
Yeah, it does. If you go into the thing, it has that
Then it's A
music.
tier.
Okay.
Okay. This one is. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, it's the Congo.
It's A.
Yeah, I think it's A.
I think this is really good. No, I think it's B.
Vagina.
Yeah. I think A.
Well, we can let it say it.
Whoa, Water Island is not that good in my
I
opinion.
think it's good. I like the
It's too short.
I like the weirdos. They're good.
I don't mind this too short. I think it's still a banger. don't
I
like
think
C.
C at most.
Yeah,
It's not team. Soda.
C. I think C.
B.
What? What is it? What is it?
C. Okay, can we make an exception for Woodland? Can we put that one in S tier?
What? No.
Well, I think
Guys.
Woodland's good.
Guys,
Woodland's so good.
Wobbling Island or Earth Island?
Yeah,
Alright.
but wait, islands.
Earth.
How about both?
Earth.
How about both?
No.
Just 2 islands. That's it.
14.
Earth.
All right. I'd like to say this.
Your bucket. Earth Island or Wobbling Island?
I want you to decide. Yeah, Woodland or Earth.
What am I looking at?
What-
This one
what-
or this one?
Yeah.
That one looks cooler. So that.
Let's go.
Oh.
Move that Earth Island down to A tier.
Alright, never mind. I don't want to be here.
So
Where English
like in a bit.
balls spin.
Anyway,
Exactly.
everything else is from Dawn of Fire. So I guess we could just. I don't know where to put them. I don't know where to put them.
Yeah.
So put them all in F. Should we just put them? Yeah.
No. Wait.
How about
Wait.
let's
Wait.
let this guy.
Wait. This
You
one
put
is
them where you
pretty
want. You
cool.
put them where you want.
This one is ass. So I'm gonna put it right here.
Well, you can't put it there. Only one gets to go there.
Don't play.
That one's like, I don't know. That one's okay. That one's there. That stays there. That one stays there too.
That one's pretty good.
That one's for like nerds, but it's D. Let's see. This one is like, dude, what the hell is
Whoa! What are you doing? What is he doing? Stop!
that? Hold
I have
on.
to grab the mouse from him.
Dude, that's like brains. That's nasty. It probably smells like butt. That's pretty cool. That's like cinnamon roll, so it goes S tier.
Composure Island's pretty good.
Stop! This guy's just messing with it now.
But he has a
You
point.
better edit this out.
But he has a point.
You better edit this out.
No, this is gonna be in the video.
This is a
Yeah,
joke.
it's gonna be in the
The
video.
original one is the actual.
No, this is gonna be in the video. That's if I'm being completely honest, this is like, yeah, this is good.
It's good.
Oh,
It's good.
Okay, let's just keep it like this. Whatever. That's the video.
It's pretty good. Except Air Island. Air Island's really good.
Right, I'm sorry.
Dude, it looks like a fucking desert. I don't like it.
Shout
You
out
don't like
to my
this?
TikTok account. I don't know
There's no water.
anymore.
Shout out to Kick.
Oh, no, don't say that. He's joking.
Gonna be
He's autistic. He's allowed to say that.
Wait, are we live streaming? Or...
No,
We're live
video.
streaming. Live streaming.
No, we're live streaming.
Yeah.
Imagine someone's just on here just listening.
Wait, we're in high school. Maturity is off.
Shout out to my YouTube channel.
Can I show
I mean,
them?
not YouTube,
What?
TikTok account.
Can I like show them?
I don't know anymore.
Shout
And
out to
shout out to my Instagram. I don't know currently. Check out my videos. I post daily.
Shout out to...
No, I don't. I'm just kidding. I post every whenever I want to.
Hey, what is it called?
What are we doing?
No.
What are we doing anymore?
I just said shout out to Scotty.
You don't have copyright, right?
It will.
You will get
But
copyrighted.
play it
What the
anyway.
fuck are you watching?
Wait,
If
what?
this gets copyrighted, bro, the video will literally
Can't
be
hear
full weight.
What? You think Devin makes money on this?
What song is this?
No.
Damn.
Yeah, I made. I bought my PC because of
Damn, my
the
Look on that guy. I don't know. He was just.
What?
Well, yeah, that's what are we still doing?
Look at
Hold on.
We're supposed to do tier list?
That's weird.
Yeah, I think so.
How about you rank? How about you?
And there's that
How about you put your bitches in the tier list?
Again, shout out to my TikTok account.
Frib, bro. Frib is going.
I don't know anymore.
Frib goes hard, bro.
And then shout out
I'm
to
gonna
my
beat the
Instagram.
AI. I'm gonna beat
I don't know
the
currently.
I'm gonna beat the AI. But I'm
We're
gonna
still recording. You're this part of the. I don't even know.
I'm gonna beat the AI.
I'm done.
Bro, now it doesn't work, bro. Now OBS doesn't work.
What do you mean?
Bro,
Let's go watch TV.
There, it works like that.
There you go. Okay, classic.
Shout out to my TikTok.
I'm
I
gonna
don't
beat
know
the
anymore.
AI.
shout out to Starving.
I know I said it multiple times, but please,
And
I'm
shout
desperate.
out.
I'm very desperate. Please.
Come on, bro.
Hit
Come on,
with
bro.
misunderstood.
Congratulations to the flag of the United
No, I
States
can
of
win.
America.
No, you lost.
Yeah, I lost.
You could have won.
I could have.
Until you beat it, the video ends.
I can win. Oh, I won.
You did not.
Oh, I did not
You
win.
lost.
How did I lose against AI? Okay, I'm gonna do what he did. What did he do?
Yeah. You got him now.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
We'll put it in the bottom left.
No, then, oh fuck. Yeah, I lost. Devin, you go. You give it a try.
Okay, I'll give it a try. Excuse me.
Oh, I just got your hairs in my fucking mouth.
Is that good or bad? Alright, I'm gonna win. No shit.
Oh, you lie.
I would have won. Give me a sec. 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 Bro, there was no way I could win.
What is Brother in Christ doing?
Brother in Christ, so silly.
DM this man.
DM this account. Send them all your dick pics.
Yes.
What
Oh what? Oh what?
the fuck, dude?
When when this round is over,
You
then
kind of suck.
we're gonna go outside and record
You
something.
kind of suck. In the middle.
Why?
You'll see.
Cause you just won. No, you lost.
I can't win, dude.
You could have won. You're
Maybe you could help me win.
just dumb.
Wait, is it not? Like, is it like an impossible difficulty?
It's on AI. It's on AI.
What, like, what's the difficulty? Is it like impossible or something?
There's no difficulty. Just AI.
Oh.
And I keep losing.
I beat it once, and I'm like the dumbest guy in this room. So
Alright, bet. Watch.
no, you messed up. They won.
This isn't even.
They won. They won.
Dude, this doesn't even sound
drawed.
hard.
Sorry.
Well, that's the first time I haven't lost in a while, so I'll take it.
Yeah, right now we're gonna go outside and see. No, we're gonna bench. We're gonna see who can.
Damn it.
I feel like Savant, like without his weight, he can like bench.
Yeah, I feel like Savant can bulk up, dude. Savant
Bro,
can bulk
because
up.
Mass moves mass. And I don't know how much he weighs, but he can definitely bench a lot.
He weighs like 300, bro.
That's fucked up. Bro would be a good lineman, honestly.
Time's up,
I'm
bro.
gonna recruit him for my team.
I won run round. I won one round. I'll take it.